Have you ever wondered if cutting out sugar, grains, dairy, and processed foods could transform your health? The Whole30 Diet promises to reset your eating habits in 30 days. But is it the right fit for you? Is there a better option? Let's find out. The Whole30 Diet has gained massive attention as a short-term elimination program designed to help identify food sensitivities and develop healthier habits. But while it's popular, it's also polarizing. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Whole30 Diet, its benefits, challenges, and whether it's worth a try. Whole30 was created by Melissa Urban as a 30-day reset to eliminate foods that may impact your health. The goal is to focus on whole, unprocessed foods while cutting out sugar, alcohol, grains, dairy, legumes, and processed items. After 30 days, you reintroduce these foods one by one to see how they affect you. It's like a nutritional experiment to help you better understand your body. Let's talk about the core strategies of Whole30. Focus on whole foods. Your plate will feature vegetables, fruits, meat, seafood, eggs, and healthy fats like avocado and olive oil. Avoid processed foods. Say goodbye to added sugars, artificial ingredients, and preservatives. No cheat days. Strict adherence is non-negotiable. One slip-up, and you start over. These rules help break unhealthy habits, identify food sensitivities, and reduce inflammation. But is it realistic for everyone? Let's dive deeper. Whole30 has some undeniable benefits. Improved awareness. By cutting out major food groups, you might discover that certain foods, like dairy or gluten, don't agree with you. Short-term results. Many report weight loss, better energy, and improved digestion. Increased mindfulness. Whole30 encourages a closer look at ingredient labels and eating habits. However, it's not without its challenges. Restrictiveness. Eliminating many food groups can feel overwhelming and lead to nutritional gaps. Achiness and flu-like effects. Some experience fatigue or mood swings as their bodies adjust. Social difficulties. Dining out or attending events can be tricky when avoiding entire categories of food. And let's not forget, Whole30 isn't intended as a long-term diet. The creators emphasize that it's a reset, not a lifestyle. How does Whole30 compare to Paleo or Mediterranean diets? Paleo is similar, but allows natural sweeteners and is more flexible overall. The Mediterranean diet focuses on balance and long-term sustainability, making it more of a lifestyle than a reset. I tried Whole30 last year to boost my energy levels. I felt more mindful about my food choices, but struggled with the plan's rigidity, especially when eating out. It taught me a lot, but I couldn't sustain it long-term. In conclusion, Whole30 can be a valuable tool for identifying food sensitivities and resetting your habits, but it's not for everyone. If you're considering it, consult with your healthcare professional to ensure it's a safe and effective choice for your needs. Have you tried Whole30? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear what worked and what didn't. Looking for a sustainable eating plan? Check out my videos on the Mediterranean, keto, and paleo diets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. See you next time.